Hi, this is Vivian from Purple Martin Lettering. In this video, I'm going to show you how your framed art purchase will be packaged for shipping. When you order a frame art from Purple Martin Lettering, it will come in the double-sided cardboard box. Outside of it, it has plenty of fragile and do not crush stickers to make sure your delivery personnel will take care of it. Inside the package, there is a layer of bubble wrap, and then there is also a packing slip. On the packing slip, there is no pricing, so if you're sending this as a gift, you don't have to worry about pricing showing in the package. Each framework is also packaged in the foam envelopes for extra protection. And each frame art also comes with its own hanging hardware. Here I'm going to also show you how to use this. It's very simple. So the hanging hardware comes at the back. In the back of your package. So if this is a vertical artwork, then obviously you want to hang it vertically. So let's make sure you put the hanging hardware on the short side of the frame, not the other way. And make sure you are putting on the top of it, on the top side. And we want the teeth to face down. First, you want to measure the center point. You want to measure the center point of the hardware. And since this is a 9-inch wide, 9-inch and just a little bit over 9-inch wide frame, the half will be 4.5. So make a mark on 4.5. And what we're going to do is simply make sure you have the teeth face down. And you can just position in the center. And really, you can just press it down into the wood because it's already pointy. And I would suggest you, and it might be a little tough, so I'm just going to use a ruler to press it. So once you press it down, you will see. And there you go. Then you can just simply hang this on the wall. Thank you so much for shopping at Purple Martin Lettering. If you have any question regarding the packaging, the shipping, or the artwork itself, please contact me in the comment below or in my Etsy page simply by clicking on Message to Seller. Thank you. Bye.